Hey people, how are you? It's Makeda Valletta, also known as the Body Scientist. And in case you don't know me, I am a certified strength and conditioning specialist, sports nutritionist. I have a degree in exercise and sports science, and I'm a certified pole instructor, certified by X-Pole in elevated education. And so today I'm going to start with doing some little tutorials for those of you who are new to pole or may have a pole at home and want to start strengthening. This is my first video like this, so definitely give feedback for how you feel like the teaching is going and if you understand. So it's always good if you can make it to a pole class and have an instructor right there with you. But sometimes people don't have access, or class may be expensive, or whatever it is. So I'm just going to give you some tips, all right? So today we are going to start with a basic spin pole move. It's actually a little difficult, not necessarily a beginner, but again, beginner depends on who we're talking about, because I've seen beginners who can do things that should not be beginner. So you can use this exercise at any point that you feel ready to try it, and I will be uploading other videos on this page with other things, and some of us are strong at some things and not strong at others. The pole can be on spin or static. So right now it's on spin, which means when I touch it, it spins a little bit, right? Static is when the pole is stuck in place. So there's a different technique that we use for static pole. So this is a spin pole technique, and it's called a spin pole move called a pencil. In different parts of the world, in different parts of the US, people have different names for things. I learned this as a pencil in New York City. And so it's really going to require you to engage your abs, like somebody punched you in the stomach and you're really contracting, really actively engaging as hard as you can for dear life. And also, it's going to require you to pull down, like you're doing a pull-up movement, and you're squeezing your shoulder blades into your spine. So you're pulling down, where you're pulling your shoulder blades back and down. You're pulling your shoulder blades into your spine, okay? So you're not doing this, but you're doing this, right? And then you curl as tightly as you can, and you squeeze for dear life, squeeze your thighs, squeeze your whole body, and hold it, okay? So there's two variations. The first one, which is good if you just tried doing this, is you're gonna put your forearm on the pole. So my inside arm is slightly bent. Actually, I'll show it to you first and then demonstrate. Okay, so this arm is slightly bent. I'm going to step, right arm, right leg. Inside arm, inside leg. I step and grab the pole, right? My elbow is bent, so it's not straight. I grab, step, pull down. I'm going to turn into the pole and grab with the other hand, pull down, and inside leg, inside hand. I step. I'm going to put my forearm against the pole. Okay, it's against the pole. I step with the right, grab with the right hand, forearm against the pole. I turn in, outside hand reaches above, and then I'm going to pull down. And when I pull down with both hands, like I'm trying to pull the pole out of the ceiling, and I'm going to align my other forearm against the pole. So both of my forearms are on the pole. Both of my forearms are pushing into the pole. So I'm pulling down with these two hands, like I'm trying to pull the pole out of the ceiling, and my forearms are pushing into the pole. My abs are going to crunch and squeeze. Step, step, pull. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Good. So, common mistakes that happen. Watch. And you always want to do things on both sides, so I'm going to do this on my left side. Common mistake. So, if you notice, I couldn't stay lined up. If you notice that you're having a hard time, like you want to be facing the pole the entire time you're spinning, if you notice your body's going all out of control, Squeeze your abs more. You really pretend like somebody punched you in the stomach. You have a hollow body, what they call in gymnastics, maybe in yoga, a hollow body where you're not just keeping it here, but you're there. And you're squeezing for dear life. I'm squeezing my thighs and everything. So one more time. Now we're going to do opposite side, left hand. So on my left, I step on my left leg, left hand reaches above, so I bend in my elbow. I immediately align my forearm against the pole. Step with the right, reach above. Both forearms on the pole, squeeze my abs, squeeze, 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 and down. So that's a basic pencil. Pencil one-on-one, try it. Let me know if it worked for you, if it made sense. And have a great day, people. Look out for more videos. Also follow me on Instagram, _body_scientist, YouTube, the Body Scientist 81, and have a beautiful day.